112624, continuation of the Whirlpool infamous pump with a clog pump with some dirty debris. Okay.
Oh, got it. Wow.
Oh no.
What's wrong?
Our pump isn't that dirty.
Oh.
But I do see one rope in there.
Oh, maybe that's why.
Maybe the rope is the problem. So you can see there's like a little rope in here. So now we need like something sharp. We need something sharp that's kind of like a tooth, like a pick for your teeth. That's kind of like at the dentist's office where they... Yeah.
A pick?
Yeah, so we can see we can pull out this rope, and if it's stuck, then we are... Then we found the right problem. Actually, before you find the pick, can you dump the water first, Mom?
Yeah, you mean this kind of thing? Yeah. Alright, I'm gonna dump the water. That long? That's short.
Yeah, that's not very strong, but I'll take it. Okay, here, Mom. Throw this water first, and we'll talk business.
Oops.
I was thinking more of like a metal pick.
Oh, let me try see find something. Wait a minute.
Yeah, just dump the thing and come back with the pan.
I got one over there. I'm gonna show you.
Actually, I don't think we need the pan anymore.
Oh, why?
Because a lot of it's already out, so we're good. Yeah.
You need more? No.
No, I don't need a pan. Now I just need a pick. Like a metal one.
Yeah, I found one.
If not, in the tool bag that I have it in my house has it.
I got one. Hey. So you can make it straight like this. Hey, this one? This? No?
Okay. Better than nothing.
係喎，好多嘢喺度卡住係喎。Maybe I use the clip to pull it out. Hey, I use the clip. 嗰個 nail clip 女人嗰啲，喺機嘅嗰度。等我攞先廁所攞先。
So this definitely could be a problem. It's like some kind of saran wrap from something.
I found the clip. I found one of those.
How about tweezers?
Yeah, that could work too. Tweezer. Great that I left my awesome toolbox at home.
Hey, this one? You got this one?
Oh,
Yeah,
good tool to have. Is this for eyebrows?
Yeah.
All right, it's good that you have an eyebrow tool. All right, so there's something.
More stuff.
Here's another one.
Like a little thing that 仲有啊，哇！ I saw the big one.
I know, huh?
Yeah. I saw one big one. Still got one big one, huh?
Yeah, you got good eyes, Mom.
Yeah.
You think that's the cause of the problem?
Oh, that's the big one that Mom was talking about.
Yeah.
It's not as a big like a cat loogie that they have it on the other videos. But these things sure can add up, though.
see any more?
Yeah, there's
Let
still
me see.
2 more.
Oh, hi. Yes.
What's your younger boy's name? The oldest is Max. What's his younger one?
Oh, the youngest one is MAX. The older one is KAI.
Oh, Kaya.
Just 1 syllable names, 3 letters. It's
Is
like
that a coincidence or on purpose?
that was on purpose. Life is too short to have 3 syllable names. The only one that has a 3 syllable name,
You may try to
Is-
do it?
I'm almost there. The only one that has a long name exception is my daughter. My daughter has a 3 syllable name.
Oh, my Grace. 撩你嗰個 sister 先係 Grace. OK.
No.
撩你嗰個 sister 個名叫 Grace. 要
No, it
Grace.
isn't.
Yeah, Grace.
It is not. It's
撩你嗰個
Lillian.
No，仲有一個啩，叫做
Oh,
Grace。
maybe. Maybe the kid.
Yeah，one of the girl 啊，佢個女啊，佢個 sister 個 girl 啊，叫 Grace。呢個就超。
Please got it for yourself. What are you talking about sharing? You have a pillow.
Tom and Jerry 係嘛？Those two are Tom and Jerry.
Yeah, they fight when they wake up, but at night
Tom
they,
and Jerry.
at night they love each other. Especially when it's cold. More cold, they more love each other.
Tom and Jerry 嚟嘅。Oh, they all like that when they're little. Maybe 3 more years that you could get better.
It's so cold.
I wonder if that little thing can actually cause this problem.
Maybe.
Because it doesn't seem like that causes that much to be bad.
You don't think so? 哎呀，跌咗呢個添。
Any other problems inside here?
睇唔到
No,
啊！先
feels good there. Nothing wrong there.
You think that little thing cause trouble? No.
And then somebody said that this thing can just pull out.
Oh! 係喎，即係 pull out。
This is a magnet.
Can they have ice cream?
Of course.
叫個台食啊 ，in the table. I get some out.
What?
I get
Max
I
and Kai, do you want
I
some
can
ice
sell
cream?
Shit, go,
Okay,
Goni.
come to the table, okay?
get the table, okay? Yeah.
Go, Goni. You should go, Papa.
Yeah. Table one and eat the table, okay? Thank you.
Okay.
You didn't have to open it. The
No, I
table.
know. I see here.
Oh, okay. All right. Thank you. Can you see better when you see over here, though, right? Do you see better?
I see better.
Oh, better ahead. Okay. Maybe over there.
Good idea.
Yeah.
Alright, so this is about it.
Yeah, maybe
Nothing
right
else.
here. Is that block you? No, we got wrong. Okay. Is it no?
Let's push it back and hope for the best.
Okay. Okay.
We will know pretty quick.
Yep.
都冇話呢個要 kind of big 喎，都唔好話唔 big，呢邊係嗰個嘢 block。
No.
呢嚿嘢喎，整好大嚿，啲水係少少唔出就唔出噶啦，little bit。你唔好越 supply，呢邊 supply little bit 塞住佢。
I don't want to talk. Will you trade?
即係嚟個 lock 嗰個，哦嚟個 lock 咁春佢啫，呢個 lock 咁嘅啫。
Alright, so here it goes back.
You don't like it.
So I lined up this thing like that,
No, you have the yellow.
and then now I turn.
Mine's orange. Which one?
哦
It's okay. Oh yeah, we're turning now. Alright, looks like we're in. Feels nice and solid. All done. Now we're gonna end this video and hope for the best. What else can we say about this thing while we're down here? We can look at this guy. Yeah, we might as well just look at this just to look at it. Another pot coming back, Mom.
Hands. Let go of nothing.
You have the pot again? I wonder if they have a video on like how to look at this guy.
Oh, you need this again? Okay. I want you to trip the water system.
Oh, this is too strong for me. Let's end this video.